Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have a pool and a beach special. So this was my favorite relaxation routine every morning. Yeah, definitely enjoying the moment right there. So I'm back to the room, looking out at the natural beauty, going to the beach in a few. Here I am at the beach looking about until this Spanish guy approached me, telling me that he has the best seafood. So I said, what the hell, let me try something. Not gonna lie, it was a good little distance because I was new to the area. So this was a sea view of where I was sitting while drinking a Corona beer and waiting on fried fish. Not gonna lie though, the food took a while to reach, but it was really good. I really enjoyed it. To the point where I didn't even remember to video it. Only thing I have is a picture and a memory. Yeah, the tummy was full, so I just relaxed and enjoyed the sunset.